In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to block adult content using a free Chrome extension. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome opens, you're ready for the next step. Now you'll need to open the Chrome Web Store. You can either search for Chrome Web Store on Google, or simply click the link in the description below to open it directly. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, move to the top left corner and click the search box. Now type block site. As you type, you'll see matching results appear. Go ahead and select the block site extension. Now move to the top right corner of the extension page and click Add to Chrome. A confirmation window will appear. Simply click Add Extension. The extension will now download and install automatically. Once the installation is complete, a new tab may open automatically. If it does, you can simply close it and return to Chrome. Now, let's make sure everything is working. Open a new tab. Then visit an adult website to test the extension. If the extension is working correctly, the website should be blocked automatically. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.